you need to open your Strava app right here. You can use your Apple or Android devices. It will work in both cases, and you need to make sure that you are properly logged into your account. In our own dashboard, we will be able to see our statistics right here, and you just need to click on the map button. Now in map, there will be an option called create a route right here. You can simply click on the pencil shaped icon. It's this button right here. With this button, you will simply create your own route on Strava. Unfortunately, the only way to use this offline is to follow this particular route. Now, if you navigate via the record button and click on the start button, you need to make sure that you are following the route you created. This will not sync your maps or anything else. It will only sync the route you have created. And so this is the only way to use Strava offline.